Facing a connection failed error with a red exclamation mark when trying to connect your AirPods to your iPhone? It's frustrating, but don't worry. This usually happens due to a firmware glitch, a Bluetooth issue, or the need for a reset. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the red exclamation mark error on your AirPods quickly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart everything. First, start with swiping down from the top of your phone to open the control panel. Find Bluetooth from here and turn it off, then turn back on. After that, turn on airplane mode for 20 seconds. After that, turn it off. Now you will need to restart. Just hold your volume button and power button together for a few seconds. You'll see a power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Slide to power off. After that, hold the power button to reopen your iPhone. Once your iPhone restarts, try connecting and check your issue. Solution 2. Reset your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you'll need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app, tap Bluetooth on My Devices, then tap the eye icon next to it and forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. Hopefully this time your problem should be fixed. Now try to reconnect your AirPods. This time you should see that the error message is gone. Now just follow the rest of the connection prompts to connect your AirPods with your iPhone. And that's it. This is how you fix the connection failed error with the red exclamation mark on your AirPods. If this helped, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple AirPod fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.